Hey there everyone, Dr. Beth Westy here. I wanted to pop on and talk about some of the top 4 things to focus on if you are stressed. And if you're like, oh my gosh, yes, I think that's me. Oh, I feel bad that I've been so stressed lately. Yeah, everybody has had so much stress. So much more. And this is on top of everything that we've been dealing with. I was gonna get in. Oh, hi puppies. Oh, look who just came down to join me. This is Murray. Look how big he is. And he has a little unicorn in his mouth. Little Nugget. All right, go on, Nugget. Go on. There he goes. Just tearing stuff apart. Hugging puppies helps with stress. That's just a bonus there for you. But if you are stressed, here's a few key things to do. Now you may be thinking, gosh, I don't know, or it's not that bad, or I've had worse. Yes, but your system is going to be, gleaning all of the, we'll say, universal stress, right? The stress that the world right now that we live in is under. So it's okay if you're feeling it, if you're feeling exhausted, if you're feeling worn out, if you feel snippy, if you feel like you're craving carbs, sugars, things like that. If you feel like your sleep is getting disturbed, that is all due to stress, right? So here's some things to go through. Now, if you are looking for more guidance with this, more help with this, looking at really working with your body and stop fighting against it, and you've been dealing with a lot of stress so far too, make sure you get on the wait list for the next 12-week challenge. Here we go. I'm putting that in the comments there, the wait list. Tons and tons of info, content on the wait list that I don't release anywhere else, as well as the registration link that comes out next month is only released to this wait list. I can only take so many people. Dr. Victoria and I work very, very close with everybody in this program to make sure you are really advancing forward. So again, that list, it fills within about 24 hours. So make sure you are on the wait list. Now, here are some things to focus on if you are under more stress. Make sure you are getting enough protein. So this is even more protein than you've been getting normally. How much protein more? Having an extra shake, an extra bar, something like that. You're looking for at least an additional, 20 grams of protein a day. That's gonna help. Why? Because the female body is designed to store fat, and under stress, it stores more fat. Which is gonna fatigue you, make you insulin resistant, weight loss resistant, all those things. So get more protein in. Minerals, increase your minerals. Make sure you are getting more minerals in. This is electrolytes, salts in your water. Make sure you are getting these things in. There's easy ways to layer this in, add this in. But if you are feeling like you are not hydrated enough, yet you keep drinking water, you need more minerals. That's one first key thing there. Make sure you're not really doing any fasting either. If you are under a lot of stress, your system is burning through a lot of stored glycogens, a lot of mineral storages, all these things. And if you are fasting and you don't have the proper buildup, if your body's not primed to go into fasting properly, it's actually going to have the opposite effect on the female body. I know. So make sure that you are not doing any fasting until your system's ready for it. This is one of the things that I teach in the 12-week challenge. I teach you exactly how to prime your body to get it ready and how to go through fasting in a successful way so that you have a good experience and get the right results with it. So if you've done fasting and you're like, gosh, why isn't this working? Or I don't feel great doing this. Your body's not ready for it, especially if you're under stress. So this is a really, really, really important thing right now. Last piece here is making sure you're getting enough sleep. Your system is going to need more sleep. This is, again, different than the male body. The female body is going to need different types of deeper sleep, and it can be just more sleep, more rest to help your system fully reset. So again, don't feel bad that your body needs this right now. By leaning into what your system needs, you're actually setting yourself on the right road, on the right path down the road. Otherwise, it's going to be really hard to dig yourself out of the hole that you get in. So that's what I got for you guys today. Please let me know if you have any other questions. Other resources I have for you are my book, The Female Fat Solution, my book, The Female Menopause Solution. These are on Amazon, as well as my podcast, The Female Health Solution. And my YouTube channel is called Dr. Beth Westy, where you can subscribe and stay updated on everything I have coming out. But again, make sure you are on the wait list. Do not miss out on the next 12-week challenge that I have. All right. I hope you guys have a great rest of your night, and I will see you later.